Hi everyone, so on today's video I'm going to be discussing the coming great crypto panic that I've heard a top crypto expert talk about. So I'm going to go a little deeper about what is and what that's about and why it could impact you as a crypto investor. I'm going to do a market analysis so we can figure out or try and figure out what's going to happen next in crypto. And also I'm going to try and give you a few tips of what to look out for and signals, so basically you can try and make some profits from crypto. So with that said, let's get on with the video. So what is this great crypto panic that I've just mentioned? Well, it's nothing that I've created or seen. It's heard about it from a top crypto expert, Teeka Tiwari. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get a little bit of backstory about it so you understand it. So Teeka Tiwari is predicting a great crypto panic is coming. Now, this isn't going to be a great selling crypto panic. It's going to be a great buying crypto panic. Why, you may ask? All revolves around what's happening with Ethereum. Now, you may or may not know, Ethereum is basically changing how it processes and verifies its transactions. It's changing from proof of work to proof of stake. You don't need to understand the technicality of it. All you need to understand is when it switches over to proof of stake, which is going to probably happen by the end of the year, Ethereum's network is going to become a lot faster. It's going to be able to process thousands of transactions a minute. It's going to be cheaper. Gas fees are going to be cheaper. But crucially, up to 90% of Ethereum in circulation could be reduced. And Teeka also expects when this change happens, it's going to bring a flood of investors into Ethereum and also institutional investors as well. And what's that going to do with the price? It's going to shoot up. Not only will that affect Ethereum's price, but it could affect Bitcoin and plenty of other altcoins as well. And Teeka's calling this the great crypto panic, and it all revolves around Ethereum. But what also Teeka's identified as well, which is equally, if not more exciting, obviously with the market at the moment, it's very hard to make profits from crypto because it's mostly going down apart from micro pumps. And if you want to ride the micro pumps, you've got to be sat over your computer, chuck a load of money in to make money from, the small gains, which is very hard to do and you need a lot of money in the process. But Teeka's found a smarter way. Teeka's found a way of how to make passive income from your crypto. It's called Crypto Rewards, and you can earn income month on month by just holding and staking your crypto. Now, if you want to go down a deeper rabbit hole about the crypto panic, what it means for you, how you can profit from it, and learn more about Crypto Rewards, Teeka's recorded a special interview called The Coming Crypto Panic. All you need to do is come to this page. I'm going to link to this page down in the description. Come to this page, click this button here, and enter your name and email, and you can register completely free. I've watched this interview. It's absolutely fascinating. You're going to learn a lot, and you're going to understand what's ahead for crypto. And I think it's going to be huge because Ethereum's massive. I think Ethereum could be bigger than Bitcoin in a way because it's got more case uses. And I think when the network changes over at the end of the year, the price of Ethereum could skyrocket. It could go up to its all high price, which was in the $4,000 range, I do believe. But obviously, if institutional investors come in and supply gets massively cut, we could see that price go a lot higher. But, that's going to affect a lot of other cryptos as well. Also, in this interview, Teeka's going to explain or reveal 6 other crypto altcoins that are all linked to Ethereum that could explode as well, that are that are great for Crypto Rewards. So yeah, register for this interview. It's great. Just come here and register for free. I'll link to this page in the description. So okay, let's have a look at what's happening in the world of crypto. So yeah, Bitcoin's currently set at $21,897. It's basically going through a little micro pump. So if we look at Bitcoin's historical price chart here, this was the big rise in 2018 as we can see, when it was coming down like we are now, we're kind of like sort of here. There were micro pumps, then a dip and a flat. Obviously, Bitcoin here is very much different here because crypto is a lot more recognized now. It's more accepted. But we're basically looking for trends. So at the moment we are here, we're going for a micro pump. Now, no one really knows if we're going to be going into a massive rally or if this is going to be a micro pump like here. We're just going to see a gradual, other mini pump, a dip, and a mini pump, and a dip, and flat line, then going down. We just don't know. But I think Teeka and a lot of experts think that we're not going to be going into a bullish stage at the moment. We're probably a couple of months, maybe more away. Obviously, if we get another huge event like, dare I say, the war in Ukraine really escalates in a negative way, then yeah, we could see another huge falls in crypto because obviously everyone's going to panic. But at the moment, we're seeing micro pumps. So yeah, I can't really predict where the market's going to go. I think this is just going to be another micro pump. It's going to go up, might go up to 22, 23, then it's going to come back down. I know some experts are predicting that, basically Bitcoin could top out anywhere between, or bottom out, anywhere between $18,000 to $10,000. Whether we see that, I don't know. But it is still very, very possible because, if we look here, the big peak, which was here, then the dip, we're sort of here at the moment, we're probably around about here. It's very rocky. So I think we could sort of mirror this. So I think, Bitcoin is probably still got way to go downward. Could be completely wrong. I don't know. I'm just trying to look at trends and what, other much smarter people than me is sort of saying. But yeah, I think we're going to see a micro pump. And then we're going to probably see some more decreases. So how can we sort of profit from this? Well, really at the moment, you can try and ride the micro pumps, but you need a lot of money really invested in Bitcoin and other altcoins because most of the other coins are going to mirror this as well. When Bitcoin goes up, it usually rallies the whole market as a general rule. So you can ride the micro pumps, but you need to be very experienced and you generally need a lot of money to make the returns. But I think that the opportunities are probably going to be down the road. Now, I listened to a podcast with Alex Becker, who's another crypto expert. He's big in crypto gaming. He thinks when another Bitcoin rally comes, when Bitcoin goes up to over 35,000, crypto gaming cryptos could explode because he thinks that area of the market in crypto is very undervalued and he thinks it's going to be $1 trillion market. So what things do we need to look at in order to profit from crypto in the future? Well, basically, we really need to be looking at Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin goes up to over 35,000, basically Alex Becker is saying there's going to be cryptos in the crypto gaming space. And when I mean this, you need to be looking at the ones that are driving it, the ones that are driving the big technology. Do your research into this, obviously. So you know which coins to invest in. If not, go and have a look at Alex's videos because they're really good. But yeah, you need to be looking at the crypto companies that are really driving crypto gaming. And he thinks when Bitcoin goes up to 35,000, they are going to explode and they could be bringing 20, 30, 40, 50x gains. So that's one opportunity to look at. But he says, he said basically don't invest in that until you really see a strong rally from Bitcoin. Now, the other way we can profit is obviously looking at Ethereum. Now, when I truly believe when Ethereum switches completely over to proof of stake, some very exciting things are going to happen. I think Ethereum's price is going to skyrocket, and when I say skyrocket, it could double from where it is now. It could treble. It could go to its historical high, or it could exceed it. Because, if we look at the factors again, when proof of stake happens, I think a lot of investors are waiting until that happens before they start pouring money in. When the money comes in and supply goes down, the price is going to skyrocket. But also, a lot of altcoins sat on Ethereum's network will also rally as well as a lot of other altcoins in the market. So that is very, very exciting thing to look for. And that, I think that's going to be completed within the next 4 to 6 months, probably by the end of the year. When that happens, it's going to be very exciting to see what happens. And I think holding Ethereum's going to be, before I say anything, this isn't financial advice. You shouldn't invest in crypto based on what I say. If you want to invest in crypto, please do your own research and invest smartly. That's a disclaimer. But what I'm doing is I'm, dollar cost averaging and DCAing into Ethereum, because I really do think Ethereum's got, it's going to be a project that's going to be around for the long run. I think crypto is going to be around for the long run. Yeah, I'm personally buying Ethereum. And I think there's going to be some other altcoins that are going to be sat on Ethereum's network and other proof of stake cryptos that are going to benefit from when Ethereum switches over and it pumps big time as the investors come in and the supplies drop. So that's another thing to look out for as well. So yeah, guys, those are the, and another thing, sorry, completely forgot. Obviously, if neither of those sound like a good plan to you, you could basically, hold on to your crypto. If you haven't bought crypto yet, buy some and then use crypto rewards to earn passive income. That's another way you can do it. I know a lot of people are making money from that. Obviously, if you want to find out about, obviously, the big crypto panic is going to be happening and crypto rewards, I highly recommend you watch Teeka's Crypto Panic interview. Just come to this page. I'll link in the description. Click here. Enter your name and email and you can register completely for free. So that's what I've got for you guys. Actually, what I'm going to do very quickly is I'll just give you a price rundown, show you where we are. So Bitcoin is currently set at 21,902. Ethereum is sat at, $1,500 roughly. Tether's stablecoin, USD stablecoin, BNB is set at 260.28. Binance stablecoin XRP is setting at 0.35. Cardano's at 0.48. Solana's at 44.58. Yes, Solana's doing well again. Doggy is set at 0.06. Polkadot 7.68. Polygon, which I really like Polygon. I like Solana as well, and Polkadot 0.89. Dyer's at 23.6, and I'll do one more. And Shiba, it's sat at, I'm not going to explain that, but it's up over the past 24 hours, 2.6%. So there we are with the crypto market. I think basically crypto market is going for a micro pump. I'd be very surprised if Bitcoin goes on a strong rally into a bearish rally where it goes over 25, 26, up to 30,000 and beyond. I don't think we're there yet. So I think it's going to be a micro pump. Then it's going to be a drop. Well, probably if it drops again, we could see it dip below 20,000, could dip further. I'm just making a guesstimate. I don't know for sure. No one does. But things to look out for are, keep an eye out for when Bitcoin goes up over 30 into a bearish big run to above 30, 35 again, and look at the crypto gaming space because that's where the huge gains are going to be, according to Alex Becker. And obviously, the other big thing is the crypto buying panic that Teeka is predicting. When Ethereum switches to proof of stake, he thinks there's going to be a lot of investors coming in. And supply is going to be reduced for Ethereum. And it's going to be very, very exciting times. And also crypto rewards where you can earn passive income from crypto. And the last thing I'll say, if you want to watch Teeka's interview, just come here, go to this page, click this button, enter your name and email, and register for free, and really enjoy it. And you'll learn about the crypto panic in greater detail and how to do crypto rewards. So anyway, that's what I've got for you. Hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.